Welcome back to the Solo Dev. In episode 1, we built our very first SlateIM window inside our Unreal Engine using just a few lines of C++. Today, we're leveling it up. We're turning the static window into a live updating debug panel powered by gameplay data. So here's where we left off, a basic SlateIM window with static text. Today, we're turning it into a real debug dashboard. By the end of the video, your window will refresh every frame, showing live values as your character moves and performs actions. Updating our window is really easy. SlateIM redraws everything each frame. When the underlying data changes, the UI updates automatically. I've changed our window code by adding the needed information we want to track. In the private section, I have added two properties, one for speed text and stamina text. Our constructor has changed to initialize the properties with default values. I've added a blueprint callable function that updates our properties. Lastly, we've added 3 text fields to the window in the draw widget function override. As of 5.7, SlateIM does not have a separator widget, so we use several underscore characters. Next, we have the text widgets for our speed and stamina text. If you remember from episode 1, we are using the game instance to show our debug window. In our game instance, I've added a function we call from the blueprint that sends the new values to our debug window. That is it for our code changes. Inside our game editor, you will see several changes. First change is I've added the third person assets to give us a character. We also make sure that our project game instance is set to our custom class. Opening up the BP third person character blueprint, I've added 3 properties, stamina, max stamina, and speed. To simulate stamina drain, in the move function, we decrease the stamina variable and clamp to 0. Back in the event graph, our begin play gives us the opportunity to set our game instance to a variable. Lastly, on event tick, we update our speed property, then send the values to the game instance update player stats function. After, we check if the speed has reached 0. If so, the player is no longer moving, so we update the stamina to regain over a short period of time. All right, now we'll run our project and our new debug window will appear. Move it to the side. And as you see, it updates as we move our player. Stamina drains, speed updates, all done in real time. Debugging gameplay gets exponentially easier when you can see live values without printing to the log. Imagine visually seeing your damage calculations or AI decisions or combo states. Almost anything you want to see as it's happening, you can now easily do. And that wraps episode 2 of our SlateIM series. In episode 3, we'll push this further by adding interactivity such as buttons that we can use to tune our variables. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like and subscribe and drop a comment telling me what debug tools you want to build. This is Solo Dev, and keep building cool games.